In this video, let me explain about the what are the things come under reserves and surplus. So this is the format we are discussing about another heading of the balance sheet format. So the reserve and surplus heading, what are the items we come under, we are going to discuss now. So here the first item is will come under general reserve. First of all, reserve means that would be the amount it will be spent for in future expense for the purpose of future expenses. So every time the company will take from the profit will take some portions for future expenses. So that term we call it as in general reserve. So general reserve, that would be the first heading. That in that general reserve we have to add the general reserve for during the year. So every year will be taken off. So this year we have to take from the profit and loss account, and that we have to add it in the general reserve. The next term is securities premium. This would be the premium collected from the shareholders, normally face value only collected. In such a cases, the company issued shares under and at the rate of premium, in the sense that we have to mention in the balance sheet column only. So securities premium, we have to deduct the security premium if it is received from the company, that would be the profit. If it is returned back to the shareholders, that would be the loss. So if there wasn't any loss, if there wasn't any redemption, that is the repayment of the preference shareholder, if any, that we have to deduct from the securities premium. The final amount will be posted in the amount column. The next term is there wasn't any capital redemption reserve. Capital redemption reserve is maintained for redeemable redemption of preferential shareholder. That purpose this reserve will be maintained. Then capital reserve for supporting the capital reserve is maintained. Then next thing is debenture redemption reserve. Debenture redemption reserve, if there was any debentures in the company that have to repayment for this certain period of time. So at the period of time, the company has to be spend the amount. So at the time, the company will utilize this fund, that is the debenture redemption reserve. So these and all the heading come under reserve. Then the next thing is surplus. So surplus is nothing but the profit and loss account of the company. As per balance sheet will be already will be mentioned in the balance sheet if there wasn't any profit. So in that profit and loss account, we have to add in this year profit. So that will be combined about, and we have to mention the amount column. So in that we have to do some deductions, because every year from the profit only the general reserve as well as the dividend, everything will be deducted. So we are going to deduct the reserve as well as the dividend. Say for example, general reserve, first thing is general reserve, then dividend for the shareholder, interim dividend, proposed dividend, corporate tax. So every dividend we have to deduct it. So for that dividend issuing, tax has to be paid. So that tax also will be deducted from that is nothing but the corporate dividend tax. So in that tax also deducted from the profit and loss account only. So this is nothing but the appropriation. So we have to deduct all these, and we have to put in the final column.